This video walks you through how to add a payment method on Zapier. Begin by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top area of the screen and click your profile picture. From that menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, open Billing and Usage. Then switch to the Billing Settings tab. This is where Zapier keeps the account billing details, including the section for payment information. In the Payment Information section, click Add Payment Method. This opens the form where you can enter the billing option you want Zapier to use for future charges. If the form takes a moment to appear, wait for it to finish loading before entering anything. Next, open the Payment Method dropdown. Zapier will show the available choices, which include credit or debit card, PayPal, and bank transfer if you are in the United States. Select the option that matches the payment method you want to add. Make sure you choose the correct one before moving on, since the fields on the form can change based on that selection. If you selected credit or debit card, enter the card details shown in the form. Fill in the cardholder name, then the card number, the expiration date, and the CVC. Enter each field carefully and match the information exactly as it appears on the card. If you selected a different payment type, continue with the details Zapier requests for that option on the same form. After that, go to the country field, use the search function in that field to find your billing country, then select it from the list. This billing country should match the payment information you are adding, so check that it lines up with the card or account details already entered. Before saving, review everything on the form. Look over the selected payment method, the entered payment details, and the billing country. This is the point to catch any typing mistakes, skipped fields, or mismatched information. If something does not look right, update it now so the saved payment method is accurate. When all the information looks correct, click Save. Zapier will add the payment method to your account and return you to the billing area. Depending on the method you chose, the update may take a moment to appear. To confirm that the payment method was added, check the Payment Information section again. You should now see the new payment method listed there. This confirms that it has been saved to your Zapier account and is available for future billing. Your new payment method is now added under Payment Information in your Zapier billing settings.